We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Excel on your Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super useful to go and have. So all you need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'll just go and use Safari. And what you want to do is go and search for Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office. Come to office.com at the top here, and then what you need to do is go and click on sign in like so. And what you need to do is go and sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, create one. After you've signed in, you'll be brought here. So you can go and use Excel in your web browser, but to go and download it, you need to come over to the right and click on Buy Microsoft 365. What you can then do is get a yearly or a monthly subscription, and you can then go and get access to these apps. Not only Excel, but these others as well, which is super cool. So go and subscribe. After you've subscribed, when you look in the top right, you should see the option for Install Apps. You can then click there, and the installer is then going to go and start. Now, all you need to do is wait for that to finish downloading. After it's finished, open up your Finder and come to your downloads, and then all you need to do is go and run Microsoft 365 like so. Just go through the installer. You need to enter your password to start the installer, and you can then go and wait. After it's finished, it will say the installation was successful, and you can then go and click on close. You can choose if you want to keep the installer, and Excel is now downloaded. So what you can do is go to the top, go and type in Excel, press enter, and it will open. And here we are. And what you can then do is go and make a workbook. If you found this useful, then leave a like.